Hey, it's Xavier here from Tamron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Kona. You see I have one right behind me. This is a beautiful vehicle, 2019. Let's take a look at it. It's going to feature our cascading honeycomb grille, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, premium alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot monitor, lane keep assist. Follow me, I'll show you inside. Now this vehicle is going to feature our Yes Essential stain-resistant fabric. Also going to come with a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, backup camera, heated seats, Bluetooth controls at the touch of your fingertips. But that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle is going to be the warranty. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tamron. So if you would give me a call, my name is Xavier. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love it when you treat it here at Tamron Hyundai.